It's a Buick. Just take my word for it. It's called an Envision. Now, I did not envision any of this because just about everything in this car has a suckometer of about 11 out of 10. So, with no further ado, let's just get to it. We want to pull this panel out because it didn't want to sit properly the first time around. So you have to make sure it's sitting properly when you actually put it in. Because, yes, it is American. I think American designed, not American assembled. So, I mean, it is made in China. So, we're getting our button out. Why? Because we want to. 1/7 mil after that wonderful panel you just pulled out. And we'll see what happens when you go like this. And this should just overlap underneath. Does it? Is it that easy? Yeah, why not? Let me fight in real time. I guess that's why they made this piece of plastic. Not even piece of plastic. This piece of metal right here. So flimsy that you can just bend it with your finger. Thank you, Buick. I made it so much easier. So, bend it down with your finger. I guess someone already knew that, you know what? We're going to need to get to this. At one point of its life, because we have to pull this little nub out. See that? You can see the imprint of where the metal goes. Now, again, with more safety clips. There we go. Because we do want to make sure 4-year-olds don't get to this and unplug this push button. So you got to pull that out and squeeze this to pull it out. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to run the risk of anything. So, I don't want to get stranded anywhere. That is the part number of some sort. Will you find it somewhere? Who knows? I'll see if I can put a link. I doubt it. But let's make sure this puppy goes back. So look at this. So thank you, trapdoor. Push this guy back and push this puppy behind because this gets overlapped. And see that? Look at this. Thank you, Buick. You see? Oh, look, I woke up. I heard me say its name. Push this guy back. Push this guy back in. Put the 1/7 mil back. And then I changed seats on you. Playing musical chairs. I wanted to make sure this puppy was back straight. So we can put this guy back. You see, gotta align that so he goes back in position. So there you have it. Make sure that goes in. This puppy goes in. And look, you see, gotta make sure Americans are put back properly because I have to fix that now. So that was the push start. I gotta fix that. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.